I know EV batteries fail. Before 2015, there was a lot of problems with EV batteries.
Well, that's only for 1 year, and you've got to get 10 years, life and service out of these things to see what it really is.
Hi, I'm David with EV World News. We're talking about electric vehicles, green energy, and the stock markets. Today, I've got founder and chief editor Bill Moore with us. How's it going, Bill?
Going good, thank you very much. We had some thunderstorms this morning, but it's clearing off now, and hopefully, our fingers crossed, we don't have a repeat of last week.
Yeah, I mean, we sure had the sirens, if nothing else, down here. Anyways, let's start out today. We're going to talk a little bit about modern EV batteries rarely fail. We see stuff all the time. I know EV batteries fail. Okay. I know people that have had warranty work done on their Teslas where they've had the batteries replaced.
Not the Tesla. I had mine in the Honda, my Honda Insight, and my Prius.
And so those were in hybrid cars. Anyways, so before 2015, there was a lot of problems with EV batteries. And we're talking now 9 years ago. And there was fires and failures, particularly in the Chevy Bolt and the Nissan Leaf. So the statistics are going to be kind of surprising as we get to some of them. EV battery replacements due to failure from 2011 to 23. And this is as a percentage of EV batteries on the road. So in 2011, 7.5%. So that's what? 1 in 13, I think? About 1 in 13 failed in 2011. Then it starts going down quite a bit from there, 3.6%, 4.4%, 3.9%, but then, 1.6. Then all of a sudden, in 2016, it drops to about 1 in 300 EVs at a battery failure, and then drops to 1 in 1,000 in 2017. It went back up again a little bit, but it's back in 23. It was back to 1 in 1,000. Now, these are from that model year, okay? So that is a pretty big change in how the failures have gone.
Now, is that, of course, somebody's going to come back and say, well, that's only for 1 year, and you've got to get 10 years, life and service out of these things to see what it really is. So, the one furthest back is the one that has the most failure. So, yes, I sort of I'm excited about it. I'm very pleased with it. I just know how somebody's going to come in and make that point.
Well, and they could, but then I guess you go and you buy a 2017 and 2020 model years, if that would be your theory. And we were showing that Tesla Model 3 that hit 300,000 miles on the first battery. It was only on its fourth set of tires. And we keep mentioning the tires. That's 75,000 miles. They didn't wear out in 4,000 miles like that one article claimed. But that was from a 2020 model. But here's a list of cars that were really bad. And the 2013 Tesla Model S had an 8.5% failure rate. So that was pretty bad. The 14 Model S, 7.3. The 15 Model S, 3.5. Now, not many people own a Model S. Currently that's only 5% of Tesla sales or 4% of Tesla sales. So it's not really the big mover, but these are, from a long time ago. The most recent one of these is 8 years ago in 2015. The 2011 Nissan Leaf had an 8.3% failure rate. Well, how many of those are people out buying now? 2012 had a 3.5, and then numbers change. This data is coming from Recurrent. How common is an EV battery replacement? Chevy Bolt, 34% official battery recalls. Hyundai Kona. Now, Kona coincidentally has a completely new model for 24, and it's hitting the market supposedly at $26,000. So they're about to do a price drop here in the U.S. to $26,000. I don't know if any of these $26,000 ones are available yet, but that is the plan with them. But, if you look, you got the Nissan Leaf. That's about 5% battery recalls. The Bolt EUV, the Tesla Model S. And then we got Jaguar I-Pace. And we start getting down to like a couple percent. Audi e-trons at 1%. And the Model 3 and the Model Y are like 0.5%.
Hi, I'm David with EV World News. If you like this video, then please press the like button. If you like the content and would like to see more videos on electric vehicles, then please hit the subscribe button. If you have some feedback for us, please let us know in the comments. Have a great day.